Did you know that Montagnards and Native Americans share a lot in common? We Montagnards are the original inhabitants of Vietnam's Central Highlands, just as Native Americans are the indigenous peoples of the Americas. Like Native Americans, we are made up of many tribes, speaking many different languages, and have rich cultural traditions. Historically, both our lands and their lands were taken by dominant societies, and we have faced long struggles to preserve our identities, traditions, and ways of life. In this video, my friend Will, who is part Native American, talks about his people and culture from a Native perspective. Will also introduces Native American flutes and drums, plays traditional instruments, and sings a traditional Native American song. Be sure to watch the entire video so you don't miss any interesting stories or performances.
Hey, how's it going? My name's Will Crisp. I'm mixed blood Native American. My indigenous heritage comes from my mother's side of the family. They're related to the Dene and Huichol peoples, and I have a ancestor as well who's Cherokee peace chief during the 1760s during the French and Indian War. Chief Adekokua Moitoi. I attend Native American celebrations and powwows whenever I get the opportunity to. Powwows are intertribal gatherings of different Native American groups that have dancing competitions as well as exhibition dancing and feature a Native American powwow drumming. So my hometown is Lockhart, Texas. It's a small town south of Austin. My educational background is that I received my Bachelor of Arts in anthropology from Baylor University in Waco, Texas, and I'm working on my Master's of Anthropology at Texas Tech University in Lubbock, Texas. My primary focus in archaeology has been both prehistoric archaeology as well as historic archaeology. My field school was at a prehistoric rock shelter out near Gatesville, Texas. And I also have a professional experience working on a historic site, the Austin State Hospital in north central Austin, Texas, was doing cultural resource management work on the site. So during my teenage years, I participated in Native American powwows. I danced a style of dancing called Northern Traditional, which is a war dance that comes from the tribes of the Northern Plains, the Lakota, the Blackfeet, the Crow, and other groups. This dance showcases tales of the hunt, tales of war parties as they're warring against as different Native American groups are warring against each other. These dances would tell the stories of those war parties. I was also taught to sing on the Southern style powwow drum by a Kiowa man. He taught me how to sing, and I've done some Native American singing competitions as well.
Oh, wow. Would you like to do a little bit sample of that singing?
This song here that I'm going to sing for you was taught to me by the Kiowa man who taught me how to sing. It was written by Leonard Kozad. This song is in Comanche. It was a song that was composed in order to honor the Comanche, honor the Desert Storm war veterans, those that had gone to fight in Operation Desert Storm and then came back. So these veteran songs are special songs that are sung during powwows in order to honor our veterans.
Okay.
So it has to be treated with a certain respect. So I sing this in order to honor those Desert Storm veterans. we arake mo namasuto he arake mo namasuto he insan si tanete qua enedu dai sumai dukura Arake mon amakuchu mon guiton he Arake mon amasuto he Insan si tanete qua it may do I sumai yugora he arake mon amasuto he arake mon amasuto he arake mon amasuto insan se tanete qua enedu dai sumai jagora Arake mon amakicho mon guiton he Arake mon amasuto we Insan se tanete qua enedu I sumadukora
Thank you. That's awesome.
So I have a couple of different Native American flutes that I'm going to be showcasing today. One of them is this one, the Condor bass flute. This one's made by High Spirits. They're a Native American flute company based out in Patagonia, Arizona. And so this is a bass flute in the key of D minor.
Can you play something for me?
Yeah. So this flute here, this is a Choctaw flute. This flute I picked up at the Choctaw Cultural Center in Durant, Oklahoma. It was made by Presley Byington. This flute is actually made out of a river cane with a cedar fetish. And these flutes were primarily used in the southeastern United States. The southeastern tribes tended to use the river cane in order to construct their flutes, versus the plains tribes would make them out of things like pine or oak.
Hmm. Awesome.
Thank you.
Yeah. Tell me a little bit about this one.
So this flute, this one's made out of aromatic cedar. It was also made by high spirits. But what's different about this flute is that it's made in order to play in the 432 hertz
Hmm.
sound range. So most musical types you hear, most Western music, is written for 440 hertz. That
Oh.
was a standardization that was come up with in the 1700s in order to standardize instruments for orchestras so they
Hmm.
can play together. But um, traditionally, most instruments have been in that 432 hertz sound. So this flute was made in order to be in that 432 hertz frequency
Oh, wow.
sound range, which is supposed to be a more natural, more traditional sound range.
Do you know what Native American tribe made this?
Most of the flutes these days, some of them are made by individuals related to one Native American tribal group
Okay.
or another, and then also too the modern Native American flute is something that's also made by different companies.
Hmm.
They make what are termed Native American style
Okay.
flutes. So they're based around the traditional designs of Native American groups and informed by them, but they've also kind of evolved over time into the modern era.
Okay.
This flute's in the key of G minor.
Hmm. Nice. Oh,
Thank you.
thank you so much for watching the entire video. What did you find most interesting? I would love to hear your thoughts, so please leave a comment below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might find it meaningful. Your support really helps the channel. Thanks again, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.